example. Sophia is buying lunch. She gets a quesadilla for $5.55, a beverage for $2, and then she gives the cashier a $10 bill. How much change should she receive? So here I have $5.55 for the quesadilla, $2 for a beverage, and then she gives the cashier $10. So I'm gonna put that in number form right here. So we need to figure out how much change did she receive. Okay, so let's go ahead and start figuring this out. So if I have $5.55 and $2, so I bought a quesadilla and a beverage, I need to first figure out what is my total. So how much did I spend on the quesadilla and the beverage? So I have $5.55. Now, when adding in the 2, I need to make sure it's in the dollar category. So I need to line up my place values. So I don't want 2 pennies, I want $2 bills. And right here where I have some empty spots, I'm gonna put zeros. So I'm gonna have my $2, so 0 dimes and 0 pennies. Now I can add up the correct place values. So 5 pennies plus 0 pennies is 5. 5 dimes plus 0 dimes is 5. So I have 55 cents. And $5 plus $2 is $7. So she spent $7.55 in total. That's not what they're asking though. So she actually gave the cashier a $10 bill, and we need to figure out how much change. So we're trying to find the difference between the total and the $10 bill. So I'm gonna have my $10, making sure to have my decimal with the 2 zeros behind. And I'm gonna subtract $7.55. So here I'm lining up my decimals again. And with the subtraction, I need to borrow because I can't take 5 away from 0. And I'm gonna have to go all the way to the tens because I have 0 pennies, 0 dimes, and 0 $1 bills. So I have to actually break this. So I'm gonna take 1 away from 1, which is 0, and give it to the next place value. And I'm gonna keep doing that. So now I have 10. I need to take 1 away, it becomes a 9, and I give a 1 to the next place value. And I'm gonna take 1 from the 10, it becomes a 9, and I give it to the pennies. So now I can go through and subtract. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. 9 take away 7 is 2. So the change that she receives is $2.45. I'm gonna actually check my work just to make sure I got it correct. So I'm gonna take the total. I'm gonna take this total and I'm gonna add it to the change she received just to make sure I have it add up to $10 altogether. So I'm gonna have my $7.55 plus $2.45, and I have 10, carry the 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry the 1, and sure enough, it checks out. $10 would be the change. So here I got it, it's correct. $2.45 is how much she should receive.